Papa. Look at Papa. Get the video.
You driving?
Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Wave hi to Papa. Show him while you're driving. It's a Volvo.
Does he have low range?
You got a nice cut. I don't know if it was on that.
I know she would.
But,
well, I'll tell you, there's no effort whatsoever with this thing pulling that truck. I guess he got over that fear.
I know, I think he did. Good. Papa's doing a video.
Say hi, buddy.
Hey, do the horn. Liam. Right here.
I'm gonna pull the horn.
Whoa. Wow. Say hi to Papa in the video. Say hi. Say hi. You having fun? All right.
Okay.
Dental Associates of
that?
Cape Cod sees
Yep, go
emergency
ahead, buddy.
patients the
Liam,
same day.
do the horn.
They also offer
Look at
morning,
Papa.
evening, and Saturday, as well as several
Whoa.
different payment options,
Again,
including
again.
interest financing and extended payments. New patients are always welcome. Call Dental
Hey,
Associates
look
today
at
at
Papa. You having fun?
508-778-1200 for an
Tell Papa,
appointment.
you having fun?
Or see them at 262 Barnstable
Are you
Road,
having fun?
Hyannis.
If you're tired of
All
handling your
right.
company's